na rin. Okay. Okay. So this is my last account. And now the cheater of China. How many? This is the cheater of China, and see the CE. She is almost 1 negative. So going to fight that. Okay. So C first is 0. So in this tower we cannot speed. So the tower, see, no cheat. But this heroes, watch this level. See, going below. See, did you see that? This below. So there. Overhead and damage taken more than. Then this the dragon. So let's see his level and the light. Light over level. But the maximum level of heroes only 99. But these heroes, see. So this strategy is easy to defeat because these heroes will not dare. All heroes will not dare, because if all heroes in there, you can beat the cheater of China, because will not escape any monster here. Now I think will be escape depends of this poison. It's hard to escape. So let's start. See, one shot, one kill. Because if heroes level 1 is below, over. We try to defeat this in my strategy. So his skill only shield, because his level only level 1, but his heroes only over level. See these heroes. That's I hate that shit. Oh, see, the dragon, one shot, one kill, one hit only. I use his skill, but so hard, to escape my monster there. I'm used wait I'm used because monster here. So I use a spell. See, skill, because I have support here. Yeah, there. So keep watching. My monster will be escape. Oh man, out of shit. Okay, so okay, two monster will be escape. So with chance to win. Wait a minute. No monster, no monster. I need monster to use this skill. I need a monster. Come on, back up. So my dragon. Keep safe the dragon. Keep safe the dragon because I need here. Okay. The dragon will be not killed because using, oh shit. I forgot my skill. Anyway, let's try to defeat this. So see. Wait a minute. Try to defeat this. So go, 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 go. There's another dragon trying to escape. Sige, come on, come on. Come on, baby. Come on, let me shy. Don't be shy. Anyway, oh, see? Yes. We win. Alright. That's good. So, that's all. So, I defeat the cheat of China. So, may rank. So, this is my tower defense in this arena. So, if you're not the hero, if you know the hero going there, well, you- so let's using this pose. Okay, let's have a trick. So yeah, in the middle. So the a simple trick to get the hero get here in this location. So dragon will back because I play you again. So that's all. So please like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel for more and hit the notification bell. Okay, that's all.